Hi guys, welcome to Gadget First. Today we're taking a quick look as these have just arrived through the post. Won't be doing really long videos right now as it's night time in England, as you can see. But this is just a quick overview of what Antec have sent me. Yeah, the guys at Antec have been really cool and they've sent me 3 products, which I'm going to do an in-depth review on each of them and an unboxing on this power supply here. So yeah, they've sent me the High Current Pro 1000 watt power supply. This is a platinum certified power supply, which means you're going to get up to 94% efficiency when using this, which is going to save you a lot of energy, and it's just going to be brilliant because where is it? It's 1000 watt, it's high current, you're going to be able to run multiple GPUs on this, and if the camera focuses you can see the money that can be saved by using a platinum certified power supply here. So pretty brilliant there. Let's quickly look at the other products. They've sent me the P280, which is one of their cases designed for sound insulation. Sophisticated performance refined. So that's the P280. You can see the USB headers there, USB 3, audio. It's got a really nice design from the outside, all black on the inside. So I'm quite excited to get into that. You can see all of that there, but I'll go into more detail on that in the full review on that case. They've also sent me the Antec cooler 920. This is their top of the end, top range water cooler, which basically it comes as a kit. It's not like a standard water cooler where you have all the parts, you have a reservoir and all that. It's just one kit. Basically it's all closed into one easy to install kit. You've got the radiator here, 2 fans on each side which help cool the water, and you've got the fluid on the inside. This connects directly onto the CPU, which then obviously cools it, goes back, gets cooled down. So that's pretty cool. But let's get into the unboxing of the High Current Pro 1000 from Antec. So here we are. You can see 1000 watt, 94% efficiency, which is the platinum certification. 25% savings, that's based on the less waste energy. Continuous power. So basically, unlike other power supplies which might be rated for 1000 watts, that means they can do a peak of 1000 watts. They won't be able to continuously run at that, whereas the Antec High Current Pro definitely can run at 1000 watts flat out all the time, which is good if you're running multiple GPUs or require lots of power. Right. So on the 12 volt rails, which is what you're going to be using your GPUs for, you can see you have a maximum of 40 amps on each, and that adds up to a maximum of 1000 watts. Now basically what that means is the high current is definitely useful for running multiple GPUs. I found on my first system quite a while back, I had 2 GPUs, and they weren't particularly power hungry GPUs, but they did need quite a high current. Sorry, they needed at least 30 amps to actually run at their full capacity, and you can see this far exceeds that, 40 amps, 1000 watts. So that's easily going to power a quad SLI or quad crossfire setup there. So that's really nice. Let's go on to the back. It's just stuff we've all heard before, really. Yeah, and then all the different languages. We've got the savings and the connectors that you get inside. Now this is a semi-modular design compared to other power supplies you might get, which are fully modular. And what that means is the cables that you're going to use pretty much all the time are permanently connected to the power supply, whereas cables which might be optional extras are bundled in here rather than connected to the power supply, which you can then slot into the power supply, so you don't have lots of extra wires around your case, making sure you can get a more clean look in your case. This is all the cables, and I don't think there's anything else in there. No, nothing else in there. Let's take a look at the cables first. One second. Oh, here we go. There's a lot of cables. Right. So you can see all the cables here. You've got your PCI cables, which are going to be used to power your graphics cards, obviously. You've got your modecs, which are usually used to power hard drives and all manner of devices like that. More modecs. Your 4+4 pins for your CPU, so you can use just 4. If your CPU doesn't need too much power, you can use all 8, so you get the maximum power you need. You've got these for hard drives. You've got quite a few of these, so you can have definitely a lot of connectivity. You've got your ATX 20+4. So definitely a lot of cables there, and of course the mains power adapter there. Let's move all of this aside and get into it itself. I'll just do this off camera because it's easier. And behold, there you go. It's actually a full modular design. I was under the impression it was a semi-modular design, but this is actually a full modular design. So you literally just have the cables that you want when you need them. So that's really, really brilliant. You can see it's quite big. It's definitely very, very heavy. And you can see the Antec branding there. They've got a nice big fan which should keep the power supply cool there. You've got connectivity on the back to connect it to the mains and the power switch, obviously. You've got all the specifications you'd expect on the back. So that's just a quick unboxing. I'll just show you the front. So yeah, you've got so much connectivity there. This can power up to 6 GPUs. So really, really fantastic. It's going to support crazy overclocking on CPUs and GPUs alike. Really brilliant by the looks of it. I'll get a full review in when I've got this installed, and we'll also have full reviews on the other products coming soon.